Alright, so I'm gonna unbox this AirPods requested from Amazon. Let me open this. Alright, so these ones are BT W86 sensitive touch function. Okay, affordable, auto connect, barcode is there, and it's quite cheap. I'll put the link in the description. UK compatible, EC rep. Okay, so let's open this. Okay. Okay, so it's black color. Nice black color, and it's charged as well. It's exactly like Apple. Okay, and they are very light as well. Let me put in the air. Okay, it's quite nice. I like it. Quite nice. What's in the box? There's the charger as well. Okay. Okay, so it's a charger here. Anything else? Yeah, got a manual as well. Alright, okay, so that's the manual. So guys, I put the link in the description. If you want to buy, you can order yourself. It's quite nice and handy. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.